you, ma'am?
That good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
How are you, ma'am?
Fifth
How are you,
standard children,
ma'am?
and I want good afternoon, like not like babies. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
For you all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Okay.
How are
I'm
you,
fine.
ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
So children, yes, we have. I'm fine, and I hope all are fine and safe at home. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And tomorrow is our Independence Day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, August 15.
Ma'am,
August 15.
ma'am,
August 15.
Yes.
ma'am,
August 15.
ma'am, today 12 o'clock there will be independence.
Okay. Today midnight. You will be waiting for today midnight.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And today there will be football also. Champions League.
Oh, you are watching that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we'll start our addition and subtraction. Yes, and I hope we have discussed.
Ma'am, there are no
Yes, ma'am.
in the
Yes.
unruled papers.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, there are no notes to write in unruled paper.
Unroll paper. What?
Ma'am, there are no notes to
Yeah,
write
that will
in.
be sent. Okay, that will be sent.
Ma'am,
First we will do
ma'am.
the
Excuse me,
workbook.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you start the chapter in yesterday.
Yes. Not yesterday, day before yesterday, Wednesday. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, I will ask one by one. That's better because it will be disturbing for others. And children, I think we have discussed addition and subtraction and what are the common mistakes people used to make. Okay, in addition, first what I told you, you have to place the number like in the place value chart, one below the other. That is, we can say that is vertical or column method. Vertical addition, or we can say column method. And if it is more than 9, you have to carry over to the next place value. And what about subtraction? We have to borrow if the number on the top is smaller than the number below. And one more thing, you have to always subtract from bigger number. Bigger number, you have to write it on the top. And if some digits on the top, they are smaller, what you have to do? You have to borrow. Is that clear? Okay. Now, take your question workbook, question number 6. Praveen, can you read, please unmute and read question number 6, Praveen? Praveen, I think, yes. Please unmute and read question number 6.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Question number 6, Praveen. Can you hear me? Praveen, is there any network problem? Manu, please unmute and read question number 6.
The sum of the digits in billions and millions places of the number.
We have 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, 3, 4. Manu, can you count the number of digits?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can you count the number of digits?
10.
10 digits are there. So first of all, if you want to know which are the digits in billions place and millions place. Before that, Anusri, can you say the place value in international system? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ones,
Ones,
tens,
tens,
hundreds,
hundred,
thousands,
thousand,
10,000,
10,000,
100,000,
100,000,
millions,
million,
10 millions,
10 million,
100 million,
100 million, very good.
And
After
billion.
that, billion. Okay.
Billion.
So children, 10th place, that is 10th digit is billion. And one more time, Anusri. No, Anusri, please.
Yes, ma'am.
10th digit, that is billion. Okay. Now count one more time. Which digit will be million? Once. Again, one.
1,
Tens.
tens, hundreds,
Hundred.
thousands,
Thousand.
10,000,
10,000.
100,000,
100,000.
millions. Ma'am,
Million.
it will be
So,
2.
it will be.
2 million.
I first
2.
counted 5 digit, then came 2. One more time. Once.
Okay. Ones,
Uh,
tens,
tens.
hundreds,
100.
thousands,
1,000.
10,000,
10,000. 100,000.
100,000, million,
Now look at my hand. How many digits?
7.
7. So 7th place is million and 10th place is billion. Now it will be easy
Yes.
for you. What is the question?
The sum of the digits in the
Sum of
billion and
digits in
the
the billion
millions
and
places
the
of the
millions
number.
period. Okay, now children find out sum of the digits in millions and billions period. So first what you have to write? You have to write the number 4, 5, this 10 digit number 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 1, 7, 8, 3, 4, 7, 8, 3, 4. Here ones, tens, 100. After ones, tens, 100, what we have? 1,000. Then 10,000. After 10,000 in international system, we have 100,000. 100,000. After 100,000 comes million. So this is the place you have to take. Million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. So these two are 4 and 2. Okay, Fia, please unmute and tell me the answer. Which is the question? Sum of the digits of
Sum of the digits
sum of the digits
in
of
the billion
billion,
and
billion and million.
million
So 4
place.
is in billions place
Billions
and
place and
2
2
in
is in millions.
millions place. Okay. Now find the sum.
6.
6. So the answer is 6. So what's the option? Option?
Option D.
Okay, option D. All of you
Option
got the answer? Yes,
Yes,
children?
ma'am.
Felix? Please unmute. Did you get the answer? Yes? Okay. Felix,
Ma'am.
okay. So children, this is 10 digit number and you have to understand this 7th place that is million and 10th place that is billion. Then you have to add and find out the answer, that is D. Okay, Felix, please unmute and read question number 7. 7, question number 7.
Can I read?
Yes, Felix is reading. Felix, can you be louder? Are you using that
Ma'am, can I?
mouth? That's not
Ma'am, can
audible.
I?
Anthony, please. No. Isha, please read.
The sum of the largest 5-digit number and its successor is dash.
Largest 5-digit number. Can you say which is the largest 5-digit number?
Largest 5-digit number is 99,999.
99. We can take, it's 9. How many 9 will be there?
5 nines.
Largest 5-digit number means there will be 5 digits and all the digits will be 9. Okay, all the digits will be 9. The sum of the largest 5-digit number and its successor. Can you say which is the successor of 99,999?
1 lakh.
1 lakh. So children, you have to add 1 lakh means it will be having 6 digit. Find the answer. Add and tell the So what's the answer, Chinmay? Please unmute and tell me the answer.
199,999.
In Indian system. Can you say the number name in Indian system?
1,99,999.
Okay, we will place the comma how here from then to 2 digits. Okay, 1,99,999. Okay, so children, you can write the answer. Question number 7. I will write this neatly. This and okay. So what's the answer of question number 7? Question number 7 is 1. How many 9 will be there? Nandita? Is that correct? Only this much? Ammu, is the answer correct what I am written on the board? Ammu,
No,
please.
ma'am.
Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
What I have to do?
Ma'am, you have to put one more 9.
One more 9. So children, now only this becomes 1,99,999. Okay, is that clear? Next one, question number, Daniel, can you please read question number 8? Question number 8.
Ma'am,
Read
the
louder.
difference between the smallest 7-digit number and its predecessor is a dash
Predecessor
digit
is-
number.
Dash digit number. Huh?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I want to say
Tell me. Smallest 7-digit number. Can you say which is the smallest 7-digit number?
smallest 7-digit number is ma'am, 1.
Smallest 7-digit number means there will be 1 and 6 zeros. Yes, then only it will become smallest 7-digit
ma'am.
number. Okay. Then what do you have to do? This is 10 lakh. You have to find the difference means you have to
We should
minus.
write
Okay.
it.
And its predecessor. What will be its predecessor? Means largest 9-digit number. Yes? Largest.
Ma'am,
Ah.
largest 9-digit number.
Largest 6-digit number will be now. What is the largest 6-digit
ma'am.
number? Yes, Anusri.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 9,99,999.
Okay. So otherwise also children, you can think the small numbers. Small numbers. How you can think? Which is the largest 1-digit number? Brightlin. Brightlin, please unmute and speak. Brightlin, largest 1-digit number?
largest one 9.
9. And which is the smallest 2-digit number?
9.
Smallest 2-digit number?
Ma'am, what's the question?
Smallest 2-digit number. Smallest 2-digit number.
11.
Smallest 2-digit number. Forgot.
11.
Who can say? Diya, yes, Diya.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 2.
Largest 1 digit is 9.
9.
Smallest 2-digit number is 10.
10.
10.
10. Ma'am, 10.
Yes, okay.
10.
So what is the difference between smallest 2-digit and largest 1-digit number?
1.
Largest
Okay.
1-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 2-digit number.
two-digit number.
Okay, very good. And same like this, largest two-digit number is 99 and smallest three-digit number is 100. So what is the difference between 100 minus 99? You will get 1. Okay. Is that clear? Anandesh, please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which is the largest three-digit number?
Largest three-digit number. 999.
999. Very good. And what about the smallest four-digit number?
1000.
1000. So what is the difference between smallest four-digit number and largest three-digit number?
1.
1. Understood, children? Like this only, even if it is 7-digit, 6-digit, the same answer we will get. The difference between, now we can say 5-digit number. The 5-digit small number, that means that is 10,000. Largest 4-digit number, 9,999. What is the difference between these two? You will get 1. Okay. So what is the answer for here? This you will get. Isha, tell me the answer. Question number 8. Difference between the smallest 7-digit number and its predecessor is a
one-digit number.
1-digit number. Very good. 1-digit number. Okay. Okay. Next one, question number 9. Richard, please unmute and read question number 9.
The number of lakhs in the sum of 7,4,532 and 6,58,843 is.
What do you have to do? You have to add
the numbers in lakhs place.
Okay. Now, before start, now what we will do, we will write the place values. Here, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. So here in lakhs place, what we have 7 and 6. Add and tell me. 7 plus 6.
7 plus 6, 13.
So how much lakh we will get? 13 lakh. Okay, very good. So right here you will get 13 lakh. Children completed till question number 9?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Tanya? Okay, please.
No doubt.
Tanya, is there any problem with your video? Tanya, please turn on your video. Tanya?
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait.
Can you tell me the question? I had not here.
Yes?
Ma'am, Tanya used 2 devices.
2 device.
Ma'am, can you tell me?
Ma'am, Tanya uses 2 devices.
Okay, I understood. Because maybe some connectivity issues. Okay. So children, we are going to do now question number 10. Okay. Adil, please unmute and read question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 10.
Find the difference when we subtract
Count how many digits are there?
6 digits.
6 digits. So how will read that number? 5? 5? How to read that number?
50,000.
Only 50,000. Count how many digits are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Manu, what is that number?
By 5 lakhs.
5 lakh. Okay, Adil. Okay. That is, Adil, continue. Continue that question. Yes. 5 lakh from
5 lakh from 8 lakhs.
8 lakh. You have to find the difference between 8 lakh and 5 lakh. Can you say the answer? Yes, Adil. Tell me the answer.
2 lakhs.
8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5?
3.
3. Okay. You will get 3 lakh. Children, you have to count the number of digits before writing the answer. Okay. Count the number of digits. Then only you can see whether your answer is correct or wrong. Question number 10. The answer is you have to subtract 8 lakh and 5 lakh. So you'll get 3 lakh the answer. So how many zeros will be there? 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So check whether you are getting correct answer. You will have to place the commas. 3, then 2. Children, did you get the answer, all of you? Is the answer correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, before reading the number, what you have to do? You have to count the number of digits. And
Yes, ma'am.
6-digit number means that is lakh. So, 8 lakh minus 3 lakh. So, in 3 lakh, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 zeros. 5 zeros.
Now, next one, do alone. Very easy one. All
Okay,
of
ma'am.
you do
Ma'am,
alone.
I finished. Ma'am, I finished 11 as well. Ma'am, I done.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am.
All the children. That's very easy. You can do alone. Okay. Then all 2 and all 3. So you know that answer is all 5. But I want to get how many 5s are there. That you have to tell me. Madhav, please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer?
6
How many 5?
6 5s.
6 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how to read this number?
5 lakhs.
Yes, very good.
5 lakhs. 5.
Children, you have to write how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s. Correct? Correct, children? Okay. Question number 12. Yes, Tanya, please unmute and read. Question number 12. Yes, Tanya? Not able to unmute? Okay. Alim, find out the answer and tell me. You have to find the difference between 4, 7, 7, 3, 4, 2. 7, 3, 4, 2 minus 4, 7, 7, 3, 4, 1. Yes, Alim. What's the answer? No sound. Blesswin, please unmute and say the answer. Blesswin. What's the answer? Yes. Yes, Blesswin. What's the answer? Children, it's already.
Can I tell?
Said. I already unmuted.
Can I tell?
Yes, what's the answer?
1. 1.
Yes, very
One.
good. 1. Because 2 minus 1 only have 1.
1.
All
And
other places
everything
we
is
have the
0.
same number.
Numbers are the same. 0.
Only 1. All of you got the answer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Next
Alok.
question.
Alok.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
read the next question? Children, if you are
Ma'am, can I
able to
read?
mute yourself, that's fine. Now only Alok name
Ma'am,
I
yes,
called,
ma'am.
so only Alok supposed to say the read the question. Yes, question number 13. Yes. Is the Alok there?
Ma'am.
Yes, Alok. Any problem with the connection?
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Yes, Amna Fatima. Amna. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think
Yes, ma'am. No.
that.
I can hear.
Where is
Yes,
Amna?
ma'am.
Let me see. Where is Amna? Amna, can you hear me, Amna? Yes.
Your voice is lagging.
Voice is lagging. Okay. Okay. Who can read that question now? Yes, Agni.
Ma'am, Harsha.
Yes, Agni. Harsha, next one.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Add 10,500 to 40,000 and subtract 2,000 from the sum.
Okay. So, children, we have to here do two basic operation. One is addition, other is subtraction. So, what do you have to do first? First, you have to add the two numbers and find the sum. Okay. All of you start doing. What do you have to do?
Ma'am, I did
You
it.
have to add,
Ma'am, I
then
did it.
find the.
Ma'am, I did it.
Huh?
Ma'am, I did it.
Ma'am, I did it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I did
Very good. Very
it.
good.
I did.
In the
Wait
question.
for all children to do alone. Please wait. Abhimanyu? Abhimanyu, please. Can you hear me, Abhimanyu?
Ma'am, clear.
Huh? Which question we are doing now? Abhimanyu, which question we are doing now?
Anjulu.
Which question we are doing now?
It's not clear, ma'am.
Huh? Question number 13. 1, 3. Okay, question number 13. Okay, Agni, tell me the answer. When you add the number, what is the answer?
50,500.
50,500. Okay.
500.
What about the second one? After subtract
1,500.
4,000.
8,500.
48,500.
We'll write the answer on the board. Okay, all the children, please check whether your answer is correct or wrong. So question number 13, what you have to do? First, you have to add the two numbers, that is 1, 0, 5, 0, 0, then 4. Okay, when you add, what you'll get the answer? You told me that you got
50,500.
50,500. This is the answer you got when you added these two numbers. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract
50,500
minus 2,000 only. Children, you have to place the numbers from the backside. How many zeros? 3. 1,
3 zeros.
2, 3. So this is 2,000. 2,000.
48,500.
Okay, Gautam, start from back and tell me the answer like that. 0 minus 0?
0.
0. 0 minus 0 here?
0.
0. 5 minus 0?
5.
5. So can you take 2 from 0 here?
Yes.
Can you take 2 from 0?
No, ma'am.
No.
I mean,
You
borrow
mean,
from
okay, so
that
what do you have
5.
to do? Tell me.
Borrow from the 5.
Borrow from 5. So 5 will become 4 and here 10. Okay, now tell me the answer. 10 minus 2?
8.
8. And here what's the answer here? 4.
4.
So the answer is 48,500. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, here question number 13. We have to do two operations. One, that is one. First we have to add, then find the answer. So when you added which answer you got? 50,500. Now what do you have to do the second time? You have to subtract 2,000 from 50,500.
50,500.
Okay. So children, how you will make mistakes? If you are not placing the number one below the other, then the problem will come. Okay, Fia, please unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, that in 13th question, we should write that full addition and subtraction in that same that steps, and we should write.
You can first write horizontal. Horizontal means what? 10500 plus 40,000 equal to. Find the answer on the side and write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then what
Same
you
we
have to
should
do?
write.
In the second step, you have to write 50,500 minus 2,000, and you can do the calculation on the side and write like horizontal. Okay. Yes, Anadesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak. Yes, Anadesh.
Ma'am, you already calculated in the rough book.
Rough book. Okay. So after calculating in rough book, you can copy to the workbook in horizontal way. Vertical method you can do on the side, and horizontal, that answer you can write it on the.
Ma'am,
Okay,
but I
children.
already
We will do only
calculated in the
till
rough
question
book.
number 13.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anadesh?
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Huh?
already calculated in the rough book. Should I write vertical again? What,
Okay. You have you written in the workbook?
ma'am, I haven't written the workbook vertically.
Okay. If you write vertically also, no problem. So children, we will do only till question number 13 this period. After that, we can continue in our next period. Okay? Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Can see you in the next period.